So good day everyone, I am Matthew Luke Balucas and today I'm going to talk about recognition of adjectives. So before going straight into recognizing adjectives, let us first know what is an adjective. So adjectives describe or modify, that is, they limit or restrict the meaning of nouns and pronouns. Some adjectives describe qualities that can exist in different amounts or degrees. Adjectives do not modify verbs or adverbs or other adjectives. So here are examples of adjectives that is used in a sentence. First we have, Margot wore a beautiful hat to the pie eating contest. So the word beautiful here modifies the noun hat. So beautiful is the adjective here in this sentence. Next we have, furry dogs may overheat in the summertime. So furry here modifies the word dogs, the noun dogs, therefore furry is an adjective. Next we have, my cake should have 16 candles. So 16 here modifies the noun candles, therefore 16 is the adjective. Lastly we have, the scariest villain of all time is Darth Vader. So scariest modifies the word villain, therefore scariest is the adjective. So how do we recognize adjectives in these sentences? So, here are some tips in order for you to know. First we have is, look for a word before a noun that describes the noun. This is the most typical way to use an adjective. When reading a sentence, find the noun first. The noun is the person, place, or thing that is the subject of the sentence. Then, check to see if there is a descriptive word right before the noun. So the example sentence, the short man walked away. The noun is the man, and the word describing the man is short. Therefore, short is the adjective. Next is, check for adjectives that come after verbs. Another common way of placing an adjective in a sentence is after a verb of being or linking verb. These verbs include is, will, has been, was, and are. Linking verbs connect a noun to a descriptive adjective such as taste, feels, smells, and looks. For example, in a sentence, the car is red. The verb is the verb of being, and next to it is the word red, so therefore the adjective in this sentence is red. And then next we have, watch for common adjective suffixes. So adjectives often end in suffixes. So learning common suffixes may help you to identify an adjective when it's not included in a sentence or phrase. So some common adjective suffixes include full or ish, which is ish, able, some, ous, al, ik or ic, ive, and less. So I picked out some sentences in the selection story of A Rose for Emily by William Faulkner, and here are some sentences which are adjectives are very noticeable, or it can be found. So the first sentence, it was a big squarish frame house that had once been white, decorated with cupolas and spires, scrolled balconies in the heavily lightsome style of the 70s, set on what once been our most select street. So the words big, squarish frame modifies the noun house, therefore these are adjectives. And also, let us not forget that the word white is also an adjective because it modifies also the noun house. Next we have is the heavily lightsome. These two words are adjectives because they modify the noun style. On the next sentence, the Negro met the first of the ladies at the front door and let them in, with their hushed, sibilant voice and their quick, curious glances, and then he disappeared. So, hushed, sibilant modifies the word voice. Therefore, these two are adjectives. And also, quick and curious modifies the word glances. Therefore, these two are also adjectives. So I hope you learned something from this discussion. Thank you everyone and good day.